Are you searching for the next explosive investment opportunity before Wall Street catches on? Today, I'm revealing 4 fundamentally strong companies trading at surprisingly attractive valuations. These are market leaders and disruptors poised for significant upside, backed by strategic catalysts and insider attention. Don't miss the side-by-side data comparison at the video's conclusion, breaking down every critical metric. Starting at number 1 is Century Aluminum Company, ticker CENX. This isn't just an aluminum producer, it's a strategic play on domestic industrial resurgence and critical mineral independence. CENX, the largest primary aluminum producer in the U.S., is making headlines by partnering with Emirates Global Aluminium in a massive $4 billion joint venture to build the first primary aluminum smelter in the U.S. in nearly 50 years. This project in Oklahoma will nearly double total U.S. aluminum output, significantly reducing reliance on foreign imports and creating thousands of jobs. With construction starting by late 2026 and production by decade's end, this isn't merely an expansion. It's a foundational shift in the domestic aluminum supply chain. The timing couldn't be better. With Section 232 tariffs on foreign aluminum imports set to double to 50% in 2025, CENX's profitability is directly bolstered by a stronger U.S. Midwest premium. This policy support, combined with the restart of idled production at Mount Holly, positions CENX for robust financial gains. Analysts from B. Riley and BMO Capital have already issued buy ratings, with price targets up to $64, reflecting optimism in its Q4 2025 adjusted EBITDA projections of $170 to $180 million and substantial Section 45X tax credits. With 36 hedge funds holding positions and an upside potential of over 15%, CENX is an undervalued industrial powerhouse ready to capitalize on a favorable geopolitical and economic environment. While its PE of 57.69 suggests high growth expectations, the underlying strategic importance and policy tailwinds make CENX a compelling investment. Next up, Amentum Holdings Inc., ticker AMTM. This isn't your average defense contractor. Amentum provides advanced engineering and technology solutions to U.S. and allied government agencies across defense, energy, intelligence, and space sectors in over 70 countries. Despite a mixed market environment, Amentum's recent Q1 FY26 performance shattered expectations, delivering an adjusted diluted EPS of 54 cents, a stunning 116% beat over analyst forecasts. While reported revenue saw a slight dip, normalized revenue, adjusting for joint venture transitions, actually grew by 3%, signaling underlying strength. Amentum is strategically focusing on high-growth segments, space systems, global nuclear energy, and critical digital infrastructure. This focus is paying off, with recent wins including $1 billion in nuclear energy contracts, a $995 million U.S. Air Force contract, and numerous international partnerships. With a robust backlog exceeding $47 billion, up 4%, the company boasts strong revenue visibility, projecting full-year FY26 revenue of $13.95 to $14.3 billion. UBS and Truist have both raised price targets to $37 and $42 respectively, citing confidence in enhanced organic growth for late 2026 and 2027. Despite a post-earnings stock dip, possibly due to broader market concerns, Amentum's operational excellence, strategic market positioning, and improved credit rating, with 39 hedge funds on board and an impressive 30.5% upside potential, make it a compelling buy in the government services sector. Our third pick is TEVA Pharmaceutical Industries Limited, ticker TEVA, a global pharmaceutical giant in the midst of a remarkable transformation. Once primarily known for generics, TEVA is strategically pivoting into a diversified biopharma company, aggressively expanding its innovative drug portfolio. This pivot to growth strategy has delivered 3 consecutive years of revenue growth, culminating in its innovative brands Austedo, Ajovy, and Uzedy, collectively surpassing $1 billion in quarterly sales for the first time in Q4 2025. This momentum isn't just anecdotal. TEVA reported a Q4 2025 EPS of 96 cents against a forecasted 65 cents, a staggering 47.69% surprise, with revenue reaching $4.71 billion against expected $4.33 billion. The growth engines are firing on all cylinders. Austedo surged 40% in Q4 2025, while Uzedy and Ajovy also showed impressive full-year growth. The recent FDA approval of Ajovy for pediatric migraine patients further expands its addressable market, solidifying its leadership. Analysts like Barclays and Scotiabank have responded by raising price targets to $38 and $40, respectively, maintaining overweight and outperform ratings, citing strong execution. With 7 key pipeline milestones anticipated in 2026 and a strategic $500 million funding agreement with Royalty Pharma, TEVA's future growth potential is substantial. The company is also significantly strengthening its balance sheet, reducing net debt to $13 billion. With 60 hedge funds holding positions and 12.2% upside, TEVA is proving its transformation is real and offers a compelling investment opportunity. At number 4 is Ironwood Pharmaceuticals Inc., ticker IRWD. This US-based biopharmaceutical company is a specialized player focused on gastrointestinal disorders, with its flagship product Linzess leading the charge. Ironwood is projected for substantial growth in 2026, with Linzess US net sales forecast between $1.125 to $1.175 billion, representing an approximate 31% year-over-year increase from 2025 guidance. A strategic move to lower Linzess's list price by 50% in 2026 is expected to eliminate inflationary rebates and significantly improve net sales, demonstrating proactive management of its core asset. Total revenues for 2026 are projected to reach $450 to $475 million, with adjusted EBITDA more than doubling to over $300 million from 2025. This strong financial outlook, coupled with a healthy cash position of over $200 million, has led to a wave of positive analyst sentiment. Craig-Hallum and Citizens have both upgraded Ironwood to buy and outperform, with price targets increasing to $5.70 and $8 respectively, citing renewed confidence in Linzess's core strength and the long-term value of its pipeline asset, apraglutide. The stock surged over 32% following its 2026 guidance announcement, highlighting market excitement. Linzess also secured FDA approval for pediatric patients with irritable bowel syndrome with constipation, expanding its market. With 22 hedge funds holding positions and an impressive 48.36% upside potential, Ironwood Pharmaceuticals, despite current year sales declines and technical strong sell signals, presents a high upside opportunity, especially for investors looking at its 2026 turnaround. Now, let's bring it all together that provides a crucial side-by-side comparison, offering a clearer picture of these 4 compelling stocks. Starting with current price, you'll see a significant range. Ironwood Pharmaceuticals at just $3.55 stands out as the most accessible entry point, while Century Aluminum is higher at $51.57. Moving to market cap, TEVA Pharmaceuticals commands nearly $40 billion. AMTM Holdings follows with a respectable $7.29 billion, while Century Aluminum sits at $5.1 billion. Ironwood, as a specialized biopharma, has a smaller market cap of $557.7 million, indicating higher growth volatility but also higher upside. When we look at revenue, TEVA once again dominates with $17.25 billion. AMTM is strong at $14.21 billion, fueled by its extensive government contracts. Century Aluminum, at $2.52 billion, demonstrates its significant industrial scale. Ironwood, with $296.2 million, is much smaller, aligning with its niche pharmaceutical focus. Gross margin is where profitability gets interesting. Ironwood Pharmaceuticals leads with an impressive 67.9%. TEVA also boasts a strong 51.8% gross margin, reflecting the profitability of its innovative drug portfolio. Century Aluminum and AMTM, both in industrial and services sectors, show more moderate gross margins at 10.1% and 10.6% respectively, which is typical for their operating models but still indicative of healthy operations. Finally, earnings per share gives us a bottom-line profit perspective. TEVA Pharmaceuticals leads with a solid $1.23 EPS. Century Aluminum and AMTM also show positive EPS at 42 cents and 40 cents respectively, proving their ability to generate profits. Ironwood, despite its high gross margin, delivers a more modest 15-cent EPS, which for a biopharma company still heavily investing in pipeline development, reflects a healthy, albeit early-stage profitability. None of these stocks currently offer a dividend, reinforcing their growth-oriented profiles and focus on reinvesting earnings for future expansion. These are 4 cheap, hot stocks, each presenting a unique, compelling investment thesis for savvy investors. They represent opportunities often overlooked by the broader market, yet are backed by strong fundamentals, strategic catalysts, and significant analyst interest. Which of these 4 cheap hot stocks do you believe has the most explosive potential? Drop your insights, predictions in the comments section below. And don't miss our video here for 5 undervalued tech stocks under $10, poised for explosive growth in 2026.